Good evening, traders. Today is October 25th, Friday, uh, and time again to talk about our positions. Uh, First, let's talk about market itself. From previous Friday, market down approximately 70 points now, and VIX is up 1.5 points. It was at 18, now it's about 19.5. But our positions did very well. Let's see here. It's our total positions of S&P 500 futures, which is our main position. Right now, it shows profit approximately 6,300. If I remember correctly, last Friday it was 4,900. So it's approximately 17, no, 1,400 profit. So it's a little bit less than 1%. If uh, I would like to say that total position right now has a margin approximately $60,000 for tested trade account. So if we use 30 to 35% of margin, it's account size around 180,000. So yeah, we did pretty well when market is down and the VIX is up. Uh, and don't forget, we also close one of our wirings position with profit 800. So it's not bad for a couple of months. So it's let's say it's 72. Uh, how much is that? It's about 5 or 6% for 2 months. Uh, Not bad result. Uh, Also, we close our oil position this week. It's reach tail profit, also around $800. And we not planning to open new position in oil for now because still tension in Middle East is unclear, and if it will be resolved, I'm afraid that oil price will drop down, and it's where our risks are. And let's wait a little bit. I just would like to. We see here S&P 500 futures total position. Let's see how our separate trades look like. Uh, if we open A1, A2, and A3 ladder position, you can see that right now we have uh, still 21 days still expiration of our shorts, but our delta is get negative about 1 point, minus 1.5. It's actually time to roll it, but because market is unclear, we don't know where it's gonna go. It should go down again. So let's wait till Monday, and if market behave, we will roll this short puts to 35 days away to delta 10 again, and probably we won't open additional hedge because our portfolio delta is quite low right now, at least where it should be, around 0.1% of total account size. Uh, Next, let's see our B position, B1, B2, B3. Listen, also in good shape. It's slightly positive delta. We're gonna hold it next week and see how it's gonna perform. It's very safe from down move, more than 2 sigmas. We're pretty safe. Uh, let's see C position. C position is also has a little bit higher, about 7.5 positive delta. Also in good shape. Continue go higher. Right now it's more than 1300 in profit. Our last D position is delta about 6 positive and also in good shape. Uh, we open this week D3 and C3 positions, if you remember. We're gonna hold, and next week we're gonna do roll for A, our A3 open A4, and again on Monday probably gonna add uh, one more trade of micro ES positions. Uh, Also would like to show you our violin strategy. It's all together V2, V3, and V4. It's also very good looking trade. Now about 2700. Also, we should add here 700 of profit of V1, which we closed previous week, and total delta approximately 11. So I think we're gonna continue to make positive results from this trade. Uh, let's go and see our MES micro ES position. Uh, this is how it's look like now. It's in good shape. It shows $1,000 in profit. We should divide it by 10 because we do it here in OptionNet Explorer as a ES futures because they don't do micro futures. Uh, but we know that it's 10 times less than ES, so just need to divide by 10. It's a little bit down from previous week, just because I think because VIX is up, but it's very safe. And on Monday we're probably gonna add one more tranche, make this tent even safer, and after that we'll stop. It's right now it's 56 days till expiration, and after that we will start new building new structure. Uh, Probably it's gonna be January 17th. Right now it's 84 days till expiration. Uh, Week after it's gonna be about 75. We'll start to build new structure. That's it from our about our position. It's how I said, it's behaved pretty well. Even market down and volatility is up. We continue make approximately 1% per week, uh, which is even more than expected result for market like this. Uh, Now I would like to talk about your questions. I see just it's only one question there from Bob. Some are predicting that there will be a prolonged rise in the VIX after the election. Not sure if he is right. How will that impact our trading strategy? Well, because we sell our our income source is a short puts, which is pretty close to expiration. For ladder, it's 30, 35 days till expiration. For violin, it's 60 days to expiration. Actually, elevated volatility is good for us. It's allow us to sell that puts a little bit higher. So it depends how market gonna behave. If volatility will stay elevated, we will continue to make one even more probably percent per week. If volatility went down, will go down to regular range somewhere below 15, probably our profitability will decrease a little bit. Uh, Also, I would like to talk about our portfolio delta. It's lots of questions about that. I see that lots of you a little bit overhedged and have total portfolio delta close to zero. You know my opinion about that. Just because all our structures is calendarized, you should understand that when market is going up and our volatility is going down, in this case, uh, our hedges losing money. So we have to compensate for that. And I already talked about that. We need to keep our total portfolio delta positive. We don't need to afraid to keep it positive because we have more than enough efficient hedges. It's hedges which is part of our strategy. Plus, we have, I believe, four of delta hedges, and also we have Vega hedges which protect us against huge volatility spike up. So we're in good shape, and we need to continue to keep our portfolio delta positive. Don't forget, because our short puts is short term, and we will lose that positive delta pretty fast, especially if market will go higher. So we need continually roll our short puts out and higher to delta 10 to increase our portfolio delta. How I said before, it should be not less than 0.1% of account size for tested trade. Uh, and our higher limit is 0.3%. If we reach that number, we will start adding additional portfolio hedges. Uh, that's it for today. Have a good weekend, and I hope next week we will continue to make money. And also next week, probably we start closing our short puts of our Vega hedges because it's we approaching election. I wouldn't like to risk, and we will close it and see what's gonna happen after the election. Thank you very much, and have a good evening and a very good weekend.